Morning Star.
We're just one day, well, really just hours away from the total solar eclipse. It is expected to be the most watched total eclipse in history. The hype, the traffic jams keep growing. Some are driving hundreds, if not thousands of miles to get the very best view. Towns and cities in the path of totality are really cashing in too. Hotels, Airbnbs, even campgrounds are all selling out.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime thing. They say that almost every person that sees it, it's the biggest event of their life.
Because when next time we're going to have a solar eclipse in our generation to actually see it.
We're selling waters, koozies, and popsicles.
Many states in the path of totality are investing in extra security and cell phone towers to accommodate all of those crowds. Join us tomorrow for the eclipse across America on News Channel 8 and WJLA.com from 12:30 to 3:30. Our reporters are in cities across the path of totality, so you don't have to drive there. You can see the eclipse live as it happens from coast to coast. I just talked to a camp director. I said, what do the campers need to bring? He said, well, water and lunch and eclipse glasses. I guess we'll go out and try to see what we can see.
Absolutely, and that's going to be the thing around here, just trying to temper expectations a little bit. It's still really cool. The whole country gets to be part of it, but at the same time, it's not going to go from day to night or anything like that. So you have to have the glasses or kind of look at the shadows on the ground.
So around here at 2:40, if you have the glasses, what will you see?
Basically, you'll see the sun, but the shape of it will look basically like the crescent moon. It'll be about that shape, because the moon is essentially just in the way. It's blocking part of the sun. But 20% of the light from the sun is still super strong, super bright, so it's not going to look like nighttime or anything like that.
Very cool.
So here's the path of totality. You can see as we zoomed in, this shaded yellow here because we could see a few afternoon thunderstorms in these areas here south of D.C. So looking like a slightly better chance for a few showers to pop up as you get closer to the beaches. Hopefully a little bit better as far as the clearer skies go as you get a little bit farther away from the coast. But for our area, once again, we'll put some percentages on here for you. So that's 100% coverage, about 96 as we go halfway through North Carolina. And for us, it's about 80% for D.C. As you get closer and closer to that line, that's when you start to see a bit more of an effect in the sky. For us, that effect not really going to be all that impressive. That's why you need to look at the shadows on the ground or, once again, have those glasses. So what's going on for us here as we get to about 117, that's when the moon first starts to go in front of the sun. We hit that peak right around 2:42. So you'll notice this happens very gradually. That's part of the reason you're not really going to notice a change as far as the brightness of the sky. As we get back to about 4 o'clock, that's when the moon is completely out of the way of the sun. And once again, things start to go right back to normal. So the big question mark for us will be, when are the clouds going to move through? But because you have a few hours to look, hopefully at some point during the afternoon, you'll get a break from the cloud cover, and then you'll be able to see at least some percent of the sun blocked. Again, you're not looking right at the sun. You've got to either look to the ground at those shadows, or you're going to need those glasses to take a closer look. As we go throughout the rest of the overnight hours, 71 to 76, humidity increasing for us. You'll really start to feel it for tomorrow. And that brings us our extra cloud cover and a few showers and thunderstorms. About 1:30 as things are first getting started, some cloud cover around D.C. The rain still farther off to the west. As we go later here, as we get to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, as this is all wrapping up, that's when some showers, some thunderstorms could move through the D.C. area. Tomorrow, first day of school for D.C., temperatures in the mid-70s to get us started. The afternoon we're up to 89, but feeling more like we're in the 90s. And again, for the eclipse, those temperatures on the hot side as well. And again, about 80% eclipse. So today we hit 88 because the humidity was so low, felt like 88. Tomorrow feels like 97, feels like 98 on Tuesday. So really starting to get that summer heat. It is short-lived though. As we work our way into the end of the week, high temperatures top out near 80 degrees. As far as rain chances, again, it's late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Again, on Wednesday, we could see a few showers, and then dry weather is going to be the rule for us from Thursday into the weekend.
All right, let's talk a little Redskins after their loss yesterday.
Yeah, this team has a long way to go. Long way to go.
There's a long season.
All teams have a long way to go.
It's a long season. Exactly. Okay, I think it's safe to say the Redskins are a work in progress. Just ask the players. They'll agree. We'll hear from them about last night's performance next in sports.
At the Hyundai Summer Clearance Event, get seriously great deals on any new Hyundai.
Seems like a dream, but let me tell you, it's totally real.
Get up to $6,750 total savings on a 2017 Sonata or 0% APR. Better is the reason to buy Hyundai. Hurry in today.
This is Steve, office manager. For years, he's been getting the office copiers and printers from Ameritel, perfectly aligned with the office's needs. This is Mortimer Wallace III, CEO. He just heard that Steve integrated Ameritel's managed print services into company operations.
Are you Stan?
It's Steve, sir.
You just got yourself a raise, son.
Ameritel, the kind of office solutions that make your boss happy.
Thank you, Washington, for being on our side to help thousands of local kids start the school year off right with school items. You showed up, showed out, and generously helped stuff the bus with school supplies. ABC 7 and News Channel 8 on your side for back to school.
What's your best defense against severe weather?